binibidyoan ko yung outfit ko lang. Kaya ba't biglang dumami yung tao? Oh no. Wala na kasi kapag naka-green na kuya. Naka-red pa oh. Oh no, daming tao. So, here's me acting. Like I'm taking.
This one. Sun.
Just the normal fries. Let's look at their McDo.
Dito.
Top. Pag sa ibang bansa, top na lang. Wala nang... Kasi sa Philippines lang yung papasok. I'm sure saan mo kukuhain? Siguro doon. Doon siguro. So we have fries. Then pistachio McFlurry. Sila yung tikman na namin pero I would rate this 10 out of 10, 100 out of 10. Kasi may pistachio bits and then really tastes like pistachio. It is pistachio. So,
Pistachio na peanut butter.
sabi. Tapos yung sauce. Ano ba to? Sauce ng ano? Ay, hindi ko alam. Pommes frites sauce. Chow. Manado ito. Andun din sila parents looking for something. Kami dito. So waiting for our parents. Oh my God, tagal na. Grabe, may nagja-jogging pa rin. Pwede pa kaya dito maglagay? It's not. Hindi siya bakal. Point of view. We're looking for a lunch spot. May masarap daw na burger dito.
Sabi ni Dad.
And kuya. Ito, parang fancy naman yan.
Dito?
Hindi. Saan?
May outside talaga sila na para sa amin.
Hello, may pagkain. Ayun.
Naninigarilyo.
Etong Point Plum. Doon. Hindi ba doon? Oh. Iba na lang. Ballpen, no? May chat. This bread will be serving for this lunch. Food looks fancy. And they told me some basic food part, but it's very, very private. Tatak naman talaga sa surprise, but thank you very butter. And then I have fish and chips with a pony beef carpaccio and a burger. Bon appetit. This is our restaurant for lunch. After namin kumain ng late lunch and then late lunch ba?
Wala pong lunch.
11:42 pa lang pala ng lunch at pistachio.
So parang kanina pa tayo naglalakad.
We're going to live. That's the pistachio one. It's the pistachio. This is the pistachio. This one. Wow. One croissant.
Yung donut.
Huwag na yung donut.
Bonjour, pardon. Sorry.
One, ay, two.
The smaller one, you mean the here, something else?
One brownie.
One brownie
Isa. One croissant.
and one croissant. That's it? 14 and 20.
Card.
Did you take my card?
Wow. Alex, dun daw. This is what we ordered. Croissant, two penne, and one brownie.
Ganun mo yung hawak mo. Takot at nagtutulog mo. Para hindi madala mo.
Naman kasi malis. Excited lang.
Start your day early.
Para daw maaga tayo matapos. Basta dapat mga 5 pa uwi na tayo.
5:86 tulog ka na noon. Oh, aga mo na magigising. 1 o'clock.
Mag-grocery pa tayo. Pagdating doon.
Ang bis-bis lang nun.
So what? Mga 8 pa tayo.
Kung gusto nyo matulog ng 9 or 10, kailangan nasa labas tayo ng mga until 7 or 8.
O sige, 7.
Kasi kapag nasa labas ka, mapipilitan kang hindi matulog. So, nagkamali kami ng pass kanina. Kaya, detour another place. We will be exiting sa exit 4. Stay on the right. Can't relate naman dito. Ang mayaman. Ay, sila daddy. Oh. So this is it. Wow, nice. It's giving. Wow. Wow. Look. Super sikat naman dito. Tatawid tayo dyan. Oh my God, oh my God. Ang tao. Grabe, ang ganda. Ito sila? Wala, hindi sila nakatawid. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa Louvre Museum for another photo opportunity.
Pag may nakita ulit pag may Sephora, ibig sabihin, it's a sign.
Wow. Taking it as a sign. Ang tanong, may pera ba pang bili ng makeup? Wow, ang ganda dito.
Yes, we'll see.
This is the Palais. Wow. Look. Wow. Oh, to do an ice skating trip. Grand Palais. Ano yan? Another mall din ata yan eh. Palais Garnier. Oh, grabe. Everywhere is aestheticable. Where? La.
Nagpaparamdam talaga siya.
Sabi mo kay La Daddy.
Guys, pag may nakita ulit ang Sephora,
Marami pa ang Sephora sa
And she's
Milan,
so
meron
some.
din.
And may another Sephora.
so,
Wala na, wala si Mami. Wow. We'll never get tired of walking. Ganito yung view. So we're going to Notre Dame. Wow.
kaya?
Christmas market. Wow, carousel. Wow. Look at this river. Wow. Ito kuya
Ibang klase.
na maliit. Saraki na maliit. At least di mo mamimiss yung kanin. Parang masarap yan. Bon appetit. Bon appetit everyone.